Hi, Jay from Sherway Nissan, and I'm here to demonstrate what happens if you were to lose power in your key fob and how to start your car and open your door. So the first thing we have to do is that there's a little lock on the back, and we're going to actually pull that and pull the key out. And from there you can actually use the key to get in. Okay? Okay, so there's a lot of stuff out there that gives bad information on how to start a car, and part of what people's misconceptions are is that they can use this key to start the car, but there is no ignition switch for this. So this is basically for your glove box as well as getting into the car. Other people have tried to put it against their head, or they've I don't know what they do. They actually blow on it, hopefully, or warm it up. Those don't work. The way to do it is actually by putting the key fob on the actual start button. And there you go. If you have any more questions about how your key fob works, or if you have any questions about how your car works, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get to your questions as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Jay from Sherway Nissan, where your way is the sure way.